ako ni Black Ops. So this is a video to feature yung aming mga katana na available for grabs. So one of the katana na available sa amin is itong gray tiger katana. So regular katana with 1060 mono steel blade, 27.5 inches in length. Handle is 11 inches. Scabbard is made of wood na merong paint na gray with beautiful tiger yung kanyang print. Yan. Sageyo niya is gray din. Itong kanyang ito ay gray din. Black yung kanyang tuba na merong gold accent. Yan po. So this katana is entry level katana, price at 15,000. Free shipping na po yun. Okay, so if you want this katana, just send us a message or private message. Pwede rin kayo mag-comment din sa baba and tell us what you want or what is your thoughts about this katana. Next, I have here a 1095 steel Tachi design. Tachi yung design niya. Ang Tachi ay designed to be carried sa horse while riding sa horse. Kaya ganito yung design niyan. Kasi meron siyang lagayan na gano'n. This Tachi is the same length with the regular katana. 27.5 inches long. Yan po yung kanyang tuba. Very nice. The price for this Tachi is 18K. So 1.8 or 18,000. Free shipping na po yun. Katana here. Black naman siya, all black. Yung kanyang tuba is a simple steel tuba. Very simple lang. Yan po siya. The blade is 1060 mono steel. Yan po siya. 27.5 inches long. Black yung kanyang saya or scabbard. Black yung kanyang sageyo. Black yung kanyang tuba. Black yung handle. Puti po yung kanyang race skin sa loob. Yan. Very nice. 15,000. Free shipping na po yun. Kasama na po siyang silk bag. Wow! Ito naman is a mid-level katana kasi this is made of T10 steel. T10 is short for tungsten and this is differentially hardened, which dahil nga differentially hardened siya, meron kayong makikitang hamon. Ayan po yung hamon niya. Woo! Wild Thorn hamon, yung ganyang design. So yung kanyang tuba ay viper or it's a viper or snake. Black po yung kanyang handle or kanyang chuka. What? Green naman po yung kanyang scabbard or saya. Yan. This one is priced at 25K. Free shipping na po yun, 25K. Another T10 steel katana. Green na ang kanyang saya. Ang kanyang scabbard or saya green. Black scabbard, white po yung kanyang race skin sa loob. And ang kanyang blade ay made of tungsten steel na differentially hardened. Kaya makikita niya meron din po siyang natawag na hamon. O yung parang nakikita niyang pattern dyan na wavy. That's called hamon. 27.5 inches long. Same price, 25K. Free shipping. If you're interested dito sa ating emerald green katana, send lang po na message. I have here kakaibang design. This is inspired dun sa Satoichi movie. Kung kilala niyo si Satoichi, siya po yung mayroong yung blind swordsman. Para siyang cane lang. Cane lang siya. But then meron siyang sword sa loob. The good thing about this sword is T10 din po yung kanyang steel. Tungsten po yung ginamit dyan. Kaya differentially hardened. Kaya makita niya meron siyang hamon. Ayan. Very nice. And the price for this one is also 25k. 25k for the cane sword. Display din dito. This one is the Kill Bill. Kill Bill katana. Ito po yung bride. Yan. Kill Bill katana. May design po siya. Naka-engrave po yan. Laser engrave po yan. Yan po. Yung design niya. The blade is, the tuba is very similar doon sa movie. The blade naman is made of tungsten steel. Ayan po yung kanyang sa hamon. Makikita niyo po yung hamon niya. Very nice wavy hamon. Black po yung kanyang saya na mayroong ukit. Ayan. This one is 28k. Free shipping na rin po yun. 28k free shipping. Another blade. This one is green colored. But this is actually Sakura Bloom. Sakura Bloom yung kanyang design. So, what is good about this is kakaiba yung kanyang hamon. Medyo parang droplets ng rain. Wow! Hamon, ayan, parang droplets ng rain. So this one is also 25k. Free shipping na po yun. 25k free shipping. Next, this one is I call this Red Viper katana. The steel used here is hindi T10 but a Japanese steel called S105X.
What?
Construction steel. Yan. Matibay po na steel yun, ginagamit sa construction. Sa mga building sa Japan, yan po yung steel na ginamit dito. This is priced at 28k. The handle is red with white race skin sa loob. Ito naman po yung kanyang tuba. Kamukha po nung kanina, meron siyang Viper. Yan. Crimson red po yung kanyang saya or scabbard. And two-tone naman po, white and red yung kanyang sageo. Yan po. So again, this is 28,000. Free shipping na po yan. Yan. The Red Viper Katana. Next. Ito naman is the Red Tachi. Yung kanina green, ito naman po ay red Tachi. The difference is the steel used here is T10.
What?
T10 steel. Yan po. Makikita nyo meron siyang hamon. Ayan. Very nice. Gold yung kanyang tuba. Red yung kanyang chuka. O yung handle. Gold po yung dito niya. Gold din po dito. Halos gold po yung accessories niya. Wow! Dual tone yung kanyang mga sageo. Black and red dito, red din dito. This is priced at 28k. Free shipping na rin po yan. 28k, free shipping na po. So that's it, gentlemen. Yan po yung mga katana na available dito sa Alpha Company Black Ops. Just send us a message or comment down below if you want to avail of our limited katana from Thailand.